we're out Barstow. We're about a week away from starting pre-run for the Baja 1000 for 2022. We're going to do a shakedown with the pre-runner, make sure it's all good, and then the team with Desert Assassins will be out here later on. We'll shake down the trophy trucks and head to Mexico. A little bit of tweaking to do on the shocks, and then the owner was clearly taller than I am, so I can't hardly reach the pedals. But overall, it's good. We'll do some tweaks, make it better. So enough of the fun, time to get serious. Let's hop in the trophy truck.
Your truck's here.
Yeah, look at that. The pre-runner's here as well. So behind me is the trophy truck that we'll be racing this year for 2022 Baja 1000. This is a geyser chassis with a 562 cubic inch big block, makes over 1,000 horsepower. I'll have to be clean and smooth and aggressive at the same time when I take over from race mile 470 to the finish. So we just wrapped up our shakedown for the number 14 trophy truck, and it feels really, really good. Some basic changes. We've set the lights. Chassis feels really, really good. And now, next up, Baja. Pre-running for 3 or 4 days, and then on to the race.